Welcome back to my workshop. Now today we're not in the workshop because it's a bit trashed and I've got a repair to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out into the garden. Right, so I'm now in the garden. Now I've got a bit of a repair to do. Let me show you what that repair is. Now it's this. Now I've successfully managed to break this off of the corner of the step. Now obviously this really needs replacing, but if I replace this I've got to replace that one because it won't match, and that one, and because these three then won't match these three, I'd have to replace all them. So what I'm going to do temporarily, I'm going to try and put that back in there using this. Obviously this is Starbond adhesive. Doesn't say it's good for fixing paving slabs, but we'll give it a go anyway. Now you're probably wondering how I managed to break that. Well, I managed to break that because I dropped this on it. Okay, this is our hot tub. They used to live in there. Okay, but part of our garden makeover, I've had to cut that up. What a shame. Okay, so don't drop those on these because it breaks them. Right, let's see if we can use Starbond to fix this, and then I'm going to fill in the gaps with some of this Genolite steel stick. Okay, simply because it's the right colour and it goes off rock hard. Right, let's start fixing that. Right, so I've managed to get as much dust off this as possible. I've got to do this quick because otherwise there's going to be some ants fill this up. And I'm literally going to use oodles of Starbond. I'm going to use Starbond medium for this. Now obviously it doesn't say it's good for fixing paving slabs, but let's give it a go anyway. Okay, loads and loads of that on there. Okay, a little bit of the accelerator on here. Oh, I want to put some on here as well. So it's on the side as well. Well, if this don't stick it, I don't know what will. Okay, and then in theory, just pop it in the hole. Try not to stick your fingers to it. Right, let's leave that for a couple of seconds. Right, well it's only been a couple of seconds and that is rock solid. Yeah, well that's quite impressive. Right, so now I'm going to try and mix up a bit of this stuff. This is just normal two-part epoxy. So I've got to cut a bit of this off and then mix it up. Right, so well that's about it. It's not an invisible repair, but it just proves the point that you can use this Starbond stuff for sticking paving slabs. Yeah, it's not invisible, but it's in one piece and it saves me changing all of these. Right, that's about it for today. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh crap, it's gone off already. Oh shit. Now.